So we are in the Hotel Ciutadella Barcelona, and this is our little room tour. We just stepped in this room. It is beautiful. Come and have a look. Come and have a look. Look at this for a room. OMG, it is amazing. We do have two twin beds that put together, but that's all right. Johnny prefers that as well. It's ginormous. It's so tall. There's so much to talk about in here. There's lots of plugs. They are all Spanish plugs. There's no USBs that we can find. There's some over by the bedside cabinet, some behind here. It's all very minimalist looking as well, I've realised. It's nice though. So right behind you right now, there is our wardrobe. In here, there's a little light. And there's a safe and a mini fridge. What's in the fridge? I actually haven't looked at that yet. Nothing in the fridge. Lots of hangers in there as well. Got a little vanity station with a nice little seat and a small mirror. One amazing thing about this room is what's behind me here. These aren't just, oh god, they actually do open. These aren't just windows. It's a balcony. Go and have a look. Welcome to Barcelona. One of the great things I've just realised as well is it's noisy out there, but as soon as you close that door, once Johnny's got it, I'll close the door. No, broken the door. There we go. It's quiet. You can't hear that noise. Great thing, we've got not one balcony, but two. Not as good a view out here, but it's beautiful. We have got in here a nice big TV unit, lovely chair here, and then come this way with me, come on. Bathroom. Johnny hasn't seen this, his face is just lit up as soon as he sees this. So it's got so much space in here again. Beautiful rainfall shower, loads of room, a bath. You've got this lovely sink area. Let's have a look at the shower first. And the toilet. It's all gorgeous toilet. You got
do the sit test.
The sit test, I'll do the sit test. I can sit quite happily on this toilet. Then you got the beautiful sink. One thing I like about this sink as well is the lighting in this room.
So when you put your makeup on?
When you put your makeup on, you can have a little light in there as well. This room has so much light in it, and so many lights. I've just noticed this one here. Not only has it got a top one, it's got a little bottom one down the bottom here. We got lights here, lights above the bed, reading lights. There's lights everywhere. And it's amazing. We have to thank our travel agent, Stacey Dixon Travel Expert. We left her to pick our hotel, and she has done us a blinder. So thank you so much, Stacey. If you do want to talk to Stacey about any travel, I'll pop a link in her Facebook page below. What do you think? Absolutely stunning room. So once again, thank you for watching our videos of our room tours. Safe travels. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for watching our video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Also, leave a comment. It's great fun to start a conversation. But for now, that's it from us. Safe travels, and thank you for being a friend.